Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to snipe a token with limit swap. As you can see here, we are currently, let me update this. We're currently tracking the price of Beefy, and you can see the node connection I have is very quick. It's scanning the price multiple times per second. And you can see the price is 2.7483 BNB per Beefy. So a lot of people have asked tons of questions on this. This is going to be a really quick video. If you want to use this bot limit swap to snipe listings, there's only a couple things you're going to need to do. You're going to have it set up properly using the wiki and the other tutorials we have. And before you do anything else, follow the security recommendations. Run it on a VPS if you're able. It's worth the investment to keep everything you're doing with this bot separate. Make new wallets and use new wallets with this bot so you're never putting your main accounts at risk. All right. So I've had a lot of people come in that are asking, well, you're using private keys, this, that. That's what we do to make trades quick. This is a program that I made for the community, and that's how it works. If you don't like that, that's fine. You don't need to use it. You can choose another software. But if you do want to use our bot, like, just follow the security advice that we give you. Make new keys, use a VPS, keep everything isolated. Don't download stuff on this. Just have the bot on one machine like this. And you can see it works super good with dedicated internet, and it's fast. All right, so now that you get the bot up setting and you kind of have your perimeters in there, and you've tested this. So test this on a normal token first. Don't just load this up and be like, oh, I'm gonna try to get in and out of new launches. You need to go test this on some normal pairs, make sure it's trading correctly, and make sure you have everything set up the way you like it, and kind of get a feel for how it works. Not big amounts, you can, just $1 or $10, or a few Satoshis worth of BNB, but get a feel for how the program works so you know what you're doing. You know what I mean? And then after you get a feel for how limit swap works, you come in here to your tokens.json, and you can keep this open just like this while you're running it. This is all you need, right? So all you need is your limit swap up and running. You can put it on any pair, or you can have it on nothing, you know what I mean? And then you're gonna need a test token. So I have a test token. I'll put it down in the description that you guys can use for free. It's just a random test token I found on BSC that someone else has made. So not me, just someone else made this. But I'm gonna put it in here, and this is an example of what would happen if once you get set up. So you're gonna want to put all your stuff in here. You're gonna have to figure out what the launch price is. I can't help you with that. You need to kind of make your own calculations for what you want to buy at and what you want to sell at. So the buy amount and base is how many tokens worth of your base token you want to use, in this case BNB. So you're going to try to buy 0.01 BNB worth, and your buy price, you're going to have to calculate that launch price based off of what you can get from the team or how much liquidity they're added, and you have to set this at the highest possible price you'd want to buy at. So this is a protection for you, and you're setting a limit order. All right, that's why we're called limit swaps. So anything below this price is going to try to buy. Anything above it, it'll ignore. I'll say price is too high, we're not going to buy this. So the way I like to look at it is, if you're trying to buy something on a launch, you're going to set, it's going to launch somewhere, let's say 0.001 BB, 0.001 BNB, or we'll say 0.0001 BNB. That's your launch price. And maybe you're only willing to buy 10x, so you just remove a 0, right? That's all you would do. And then when that token launch, if you can get in between the launch price and that your maximum price that you're willing to get into, that's what you got. You have slippage, moonbag, sell price. If you want to have it sell after you buy, you can do that, or you can set it very high. Yeah, that's it. I might have to stop this because it's not. Oh, I think it just updated actually. So yeah, so now this is the file saved automatically. Sorry guys, but so now once you get all this set and you hit save, you're gonna see this. So now you see test, not listed for trade yet, test token. So you can update your settings in real time, as this goes, but you can see right now, so test token not listed for trade yet. It's now looking for this token. It made sure it was approved, and it approved it already, and now it's just gonna wait. It's waiting for liquidity to be added on PancakeSwap. You can see this is checking, like super fast, and it'll just continue to do that until liquidity has been added for that pair. And when it does, if it's in your perimeters, it'll try to buy, and that's all there is to it, guys. It's pretty simple. A lot of people have asked why there's no GUI or anything like that, and really we had the GUI, and now we're back to here because it really is simple. Once you get in here and you learn how to use it, it's simple to use. And you know, if you do have a question on any of the parameters in here, all you have to do is go to our wiki, and they're all explained. So hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video.